Pababa at paakyat ng bundok na nagmumotor. Dito, hindi ako ordinaryong driver. Yes, kasi ibang tapang at lakas ng loob ang kailangan mo dito. Also, your body will ache sa first few days na pagbabiyahe mo dito. I'm Rachel. Welcome to my channel, and this is my journey. Yung pababa at paakyat, it needs focus. And it becomes my healing. Mahirap labanan, nakalimutan yung sakit na nararamdaman natin. And being in the present moment, you and I can create new memories. Di mo na mamalayan, umaakyat ka na pala. I took one step. Tinapangan kong mag-drive. Gwapo ka ng kabataan mo. Halata. Di malaki ang problema mo, hayahay ka lang. Doon ka pa rin tingnan. Kagalang-galang. Okay. Let's go. Lama ka malagin. Mainit na. Uupuan ba nang dahil sa kakapicture? I believe that no one can make you happy if you don't choose to be happy. And I really believe magiging masaya kang kapartner.
Okay.